We're working on the SS that I bought for $800, whatever. This is how to replace the oil. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot what this is called. But if you're getting oil pressure sensor, I think if that annoying chime keeps going off, this is how you change it out. I know there's videos on it, but my video is a lot quicker, right to the point. That unit goes right there, right where that hole's at. Let me zoom up in there. Let me see what's up in there. Yeah, that's nasty. But you go to AutoZone, you have to pick you up a specific oil pressure tool. Like, I don't know, this is specifically for that. So basically, I got me a hold on. This was laying around, this 18-inch extension. So I'm just gonna, you'll have enough room to work on it. That way, you got all the room in the world. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Yeah, the reason I'm messing with mines, I didn't like where this was at. It was kind of way back there in the corner, like right there where that boat is at. So that's why that throttle body's off. So I'm about to just switch mines out. Right. Go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and have it sit like this so that way it'd be easier. Yeah, so you just take your oil pressure tool, put it right over. And start tightening it and going from there. That way, you got the job done. That's why the long one is just 18 inches, pretty cool. That way you got the room, whatever. So comment if you have any questions.